Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the opposition People's National Party is calling for an independent body to review the salaries of the political leadership and recommend new increases.
Party leader Mark Golding made the suggestion at a press briefing today as the PNP continues to press the government to roll back the massive pay hike. Krista Campbell reports.
When it was announced on Tuesday, we were hearing it for the first time.
People's National Party PNP President Mark Golding insisting the opposition was taken by surprise and did not have enough time to appropriately respond when the new salary hike was announced in Parliament for the Political Directorate last Tuesday. But having now compared the salaries of other politicians in the region and listened to the public outcry, the opposition is insisting the government needs to backtrack.
I don't think it is flip-flopping for a political party to be listening, because if we weren't listening, we'd be accused of being tone deaf. No, when we're listening, it is said that you're flip-flopping. It is our responsibility to listen to what the population is saying and to make representation on their behalf.
There was a departure from the principle and the mechanism that applied across the public service to everybody from permanent secretaries down in the recent restructuring, where nobody was placed higher than the fourth band out of 13 bands. But the government chose to put ministers at the top, the 13th band, which is why you have this massive difference between what a permanent secretary will be earning and what a minister will be earning.
So the most a permanent secretary is going to earn 2022, I would have earned in 2022, is 15,030,000, right? Whilst the minister at that time was at 18,300. That's 3.3 mil more. For this year, the most a permanent secretary will earn is 17 million, whilst the minister is at 20.7, 3.7 more. And then for next year, 18.7 versus 22.8.
And with the Prime Minister announcing he will not be taking the pay increase, the opposition leader is insisting on a complete rollback for all of the political directorate.
It is not clear whether the Prime Minister, who is also a minister responsible for the portfolio of economic growth and job creation and the portfolio of defense, will be receiving the salary of a minister, having removed the Prime Minister's salary from the list of increases. We should not be saying what we pay ourselves. Let an independent grouping of appropriately chosen professionals do that.
Now today is the second press conference the PNP called to discuss the massive salary increases for the political directorate. But as the public opposition to the move increases, how far will the PNP's pushback go?
I see quite a lot of persons saying that they are protesting, including the Advocate Network, who is protesting at lunchtime today, and I think I'll be joining them today.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.
In the meantime,